Hi everybody, happy Thursday to you. We're up here in the Sky Bridge this morning and wanted to give you a quick look around at the flood and see just how far it's come in downtown Davenport here. The camera focuses there. That's the parking lot of the old Rhythm City. There's River Drive. And we'll come across the way here. The river forecast to get close to 21 feet in downtown Davenport. Flood protection built up to 22 feet. There's a fountain in LeClaire Park, and we'll just kind of spin you around. Out there in the distance is a freight house. LeClaire Park below. The Little Levy Inn. Modern Woodman in the background there. So we'll have the latest tonight on 5, 6, 6:30, and 10. We'll be live along the riverfront for the earlier shows. Let's see just how far the river's risen ahead of tomorrow's forecast crowds. Hope y'all have a great day, and we'll see y'all later.